Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to fix low microphone volume output in Google Meet. Aggressive voice isolation can misinterpret regular speech and crush your volume gain, but adjusting these processing layers instantly restores your audio power. First, open your Google Meet call screen. Move your cursor to the bottom control bar and click on the More Options button shaped like 3 vertical dots. Click on Settings from the pop-up menu. Look at the left side menu and click on Audio. Locate the Studio Sound section block directly below your microphone device selection. Click the blue toggle switch next to Studio Sound to turn it off if the automatic filtration is choking your vocal volume. Click the Close button at the top right corner of the panel to save your settings. If your voice is still too quiet, you must fix the hardware input gain through your operating system. For Windows, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, click Sound Settings, go to Input, select your microphone, and drag the volume slider to 100%. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.